This is a fit for a 2000 through 2005 Ford Excursion with factory installed tracks. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Pioneer platform supported by the RLT 600 legs. The Pioneer platform is constructed with extruded aluminum and it has a durable powder coat finish. There are 5 planks, each plank with a track to accommodate a wide range of off-road and recreational accessories. This platform measures 84 inches in length and it is 56 inches wide. It's only 1.5 inches thick, giving it excellent aerodynamic performance. It is supported by the RLT 600 legs, which include locks and track bases that connect to the factory installed tracks. There are 3 legs supporting the platform on each side, along with multiple under supports, giving it an overall weight carrying capacity of 220 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.